Whenever you're ready, sir.
433, right?
Correct.
No. A little gold ain't worth dying for.
Stand by! Hang on. First start my chest. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't see him, I didn't want to start you without him. I'm sorry. Whenever you're ready.
Gold ain't dying for.
Stand by! Two and then three.
New earplugs, you know, you got scared of Academy, you know?
Yeah. Oh, that's a
That's it.
Georgia comes over ambush every year.
Rifle.
He and his wife makes it.
Yeah. They got the ejector thing.
Yeah.
Plug they put in theirs. Those are much better.
I had to do that for me though, and I didn't like it as well as I did. Made it. I still got them. I used them about half a dozen matches. That's what I was doing.
Fifth, eject one out. Open it up.
Okay.
Shotgun. Up! Second trigger. Up! Let's try that again.
Aim lower.
Shoot low, the right.
Aim lower.
Ponies. There you go. Back trigger. Follow through. Like. Go up. Appreciate it. Right. Go to the next two. You only got 2 rounds left. Go to the next two. Shoot low. There you go. There you go.
The old and BB.
I got a 4. Just a 1 shot.
5, 4 and a P or something like that.
No.
Or 5.
I eject one out.
Yeah, okay.
So we ran out of ammo. So. Okay.